Alice Carter. I study textile design at Central St Martin's, and this is what's in my uni bag. The first thing I have is my sketchbooks. I work quite small, so they all fit in my bag, otherwise it would be a bit heavy carrying them all around. And then I've got my knitting, which I tend to bring everywhere just because it's something to do on the train and when I'm commuting. Started a mitten here and one's finished, but it's been in my bag a little too long. I need to carry on with the second one. I've got a banana. It's a bit bruised right now. Some playing cards. My uni ID, can't forget it. I've got my wallet with a little baby picture of myself, just in case I lose it, someone knows who they're looking for. My keys, my best friend's keys, pencil case with all the essentials, a lot of fine liners and some paint brushes. Yeah. My earphones, some random knit samples. This one's of a man. Some calming essential oil, just for the days that are a bit too much. A ruler, nice metal ruler, some paper, an iPod shuffle. Not sure if it works, but it's just for the nostalgic memories, to be honest. Some cocktail sticks, you never know when you need them, and some paracetamol. And that's everything that's in my bag.